welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't been following my social media, I have decided to become an epicure consultant. And so with that, I get a special kit that gives me a whole bunch of things to try. And so I thought I would share with you guys what comes in that kit. I received one box, and it may also contain some of my hostess gifts from the party that I ran just before I became a consultant. So I'm not 100% sure all that's in here. So it's gonna be kind of like Christmas. And we're gonna dig in and see what I actually have in here. So the only thing I have done thus far is crack the tape. And so you're watching me get my first glimpse. So let's open this up. So, it of course comes with a number of special things for getting your business started. And it comes with a whole bunch of catalogs so that if you're seeing people in non-COVID time, then they are able to get these catalogs from you. Okay, so I get these lovely little prep dishes, which I'm excited to use because I often do pre-measure things. So I think that'll be perfect to put all of those things in and then start making a recipe. This is a lemon or lime press. This is their special measuring tool so that it fits perfectly in their containers and so that you get the right measurements of their spices. So that's really cool. Oh, okay, so this is the fun stuff. This is the food pouches. So I'm going to get to try donair meat. I've already tried it, but an extra pouch of mac and cheese. Very excited. I'm going to get to try sweet and sour stir fry. Sounds delish. General Tso spice to make Asian. Cha-cha chili. Sounds good. Butter chicken, one of my favorites. Enchiladas. I've actually never made those, so that sounds like fun. Oh, I have 2 enchiladas. And some chocolate. This says it's going to make instant pudding mix. Ooh, yummy. And then this one is the same. So a couple of pudding mixes. And then you get a special bag, which is nice for storing some of your things. And then you get some of their cookware. So these are their tongs. Oh, and some recipe cards. Very exciting. And some more information from the business side. Oh, some kitchen scissors. Another box. It just keeps coming. Okay, so this is filled with a whole bunch of spices and things. So they have the guacamole, the summer berry, which I already have, but I've been using. This makes salsa, so excited for that. Roasted garlic, love it. Ooh, and fajita mix, awesome. So those are some yummy things. And then it also comes with these cutting boards. So that's awesome. These are bigger than the ones I have. So this is the multi-purpose steamer. And can see, it is made of silicone. So it's kind of bendy, but it's definitely holds its shape. So I have seen demos online, and also there's instructions on their website for everything from popping popcorn in this to literally cooking an entire chicken in your microwave. So, and anything you can think of in between. So I am really excited to try this and see the many different things it can do. So that is awesome. And I believe that that concludes everything in the kit. So that is actually the consultant kit. So I actually have even more things coming in the next day or two. So I might even be able to either add on to this one or make another unboxing when that one shows. So the epicure gifts just keep coming. And now that I have all these fabulous things, I can definitely guarantee you I will be uploading regularly to show you how I am using all of these new products. There's so many to try. So definitely you want to follow my Facebook page where I will be uploading these to remind you guys, as well as almost daily posts for the many things going on. Also, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be aware whenever I upload or post anything. Thanks so much for checking it out, and also feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always excited to talk to you guys. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please do me a favor and like and subscribe.